Hey guys, I'm making another video actually, and the purpose of this video was to make a smoothie. I wanted to do that, so I'm gonna make a smoothie. But also it's raining, if you didn't see, so I kind of wanted to start the vlog in the rain because I'm gonna be a gunner pool. So like, I look like I just jumped in a pool. And I have a cup. I have a little blender thing, and we have milk, and we have smoothie mixture. So I'm using this cherry berry blend. I've actually never used this one before, but apparently it's like, apparently it's like tart. So I'm putting milk in it. I am wearing a bunny costume. It's not really a costume. Bunny pajamas. It's like a onesie. Okay, so we pour. I haven't been posting that much, so I kind of wanted to just film anything I thought might be remotely interesting. So I don't know if this is enough, but that's fine. And then we're gonna put a lot of milk in here. I poured it up to like the halfway line, so I think I'm gonna put more berry stuff in it though, because I don't want it to taste like milk. I actually don't like milk, for the record. I hate it. I only put it in my cereal. Alright, screw on the cavity cap. Plug in the machinity sheen. I am using a magic bullet. I don't know. Okay, ready? It's gonna be really loud, so like I'll mute it for you guys and I'll play some lovely music or something. I don't know. I think it might be done. Let's see how it looks. I think it could use a little bit more blending. That was kind of scary. I don't really like blenders in it. Gotta clean up the station. Put this back in the freezer. Okay, so I'm going to taste test. Looks scrumdiddlyumptious. Like it's stuck. Okay. You know what? That's fine. Okay, I probably could have blended it a little bit more. But whatever. Okay. I approve. It is good. It is yummy, and it's not too tart, and the milk you can barely taste. Texture, 10 out of 10, definitely. Very yummy. I enjoy. I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. Not the best smoothie I've ever had. Definitely not the worst. So I'm gonna go eat this outside. Even though it's raining, I'm still gonna go eat it outside, and you guys can come along. Actually, wait, I still have to clean up. Gotta put the milk away. Okay, Dad. Smoothie and swing. Ignore the pajamas. We also have dogs there. But like, look at my smoothie. Bro, that looks so good. It's so cute. I'm on my way now to Home Depot, and we're gonna get a shelf, and I have a mask though, so like, I'm being good. And we're gonna get a shelf to put stuff on because I need a shelf to put stuff on. We are here at, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm like muffled because of this thing. We're at Home Depot. And I mean, like, I'm kind of close to people, and it's like, you know? Like, that's fine because I have a mask. We're staying 6 feet apart, I think. Oh, well, at least we're trying. We are in search of a shelf now. We need 4 foot by 10 inches, I think.
It's almost 10 inches and almost, it's basically perfect.
We found it. We got it. Wait, what? Oh.
Can you hold that? I got it.
Got a whole bag. The checkout line is 17 years long, and that's really unfortunate. Okay, we got everything that we needed, and we spent exactly $100. And my dad is really proud of that. So, and yeah, so now we're going home. Okay, so I'm gonna put the stuff on my shelf now, and we are gonna start with chapstick. Also, I'm eating flavor ice. I don't know if you guys remember these, but like, kind of my everything. I don't know why I'm filming this. You guys can't even see what's going on. But anyways, we put our shelf stuff up. I don't know what else to put up there. Alright, I can stop filming. Okay, so I didn't film an outro, but like this is gonna be my outro. So thank you all for watching, if you did watch, and hope you enjoyed my video. And stay tuned for more videos, and I'm trying to post more. And I'm thinking about doing something with snow cone machine coming soon. That could be pretty fun. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time on Wintermelon. Bye!